yun ang history. Nung ako na ang Bisaya na mayor ng Davao, wala na rin nakapalit. I went on for 23 years to become mayor, then congressman, 4 years, then 4 years vice mayor ni Inday Sara, then another, ito ngayon. So ganun ako katagal sa politika. And I was a prosecutor for 9 years. You add that, and that is my toil in government. So itong Partido Nacional, itong PDP, dalhin lang ito ng mabuti. I don't know the fortunes of, hindi natin alam kung anong gagawin sa kabila. Baka nagtatype na si Coco ng petition.